dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. I'm 37. 4 beautiful kids, a fluffy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love all the clicky clickies. I've lost 76 pounds on keto. I do keto hauls, keto vlogs, keto meal prep, keto reviews, all things keto. Please do not forget to like this video. It does help my channel grow. It really, really does. Give me a comment. Tell me what you ate today. Tell me what you did today. Tell me when the last time you smiled was. Talk to me. It also helps my channel grow, and I really enjoy talking to you guys, to be honest. Helps me get through hard times when I'm struggling with food or whatever. It helps me stay distracted, keeps me busy, and I enjoy it. Today it's hot. It's 84 degrees. Yesterday was cold. What is going on? Michigan, you never know. I'm in the drive-thru. I am back to work today. I'm in the drive-thru at Wendy's. I'm gonna get a Caesar salad, I think, or side salad, whatever, and like a Dave's double something. I don't know. I spaced it. I didn't make anything for lunch. No Keto Chow. I'm actually almost out. I think I have like 1 or 2 more left. Definitely when I have available funds, I will be ordering more, a different flavor. I'm not drinking that 310. I don't know if I made it wrong or whatever, but it is nasty. And I asked you guys to sound off below, and really nobody had any comments about it. I think Erin just said that they reached out to her and she declined. And then somebody else said that it spiked their blood sugar. And then another person, I think, just said like that they weren't gonna try it because, you know, I gave it a bad review. But I only had it once. If I'm making it wrong or something, let me know. I don't know. It was not good. Like, not even Corey liked it. Okay. Hi, can I get the Dave's Double Justice sandwich with no bun and no ketchup? And just the Caesar salad?
Anything else today?
A medium Diet Coke.
Alright, we'll make it into the meal. Anything else?
That's it. Thank you. That was very fast. I don't even remember what I was talking about. Was I talking about the weather? I think. It was nice and cool. Actually, okay, so yesterday I took the box spring out, and so I worked up kind of a sweat, not really, but a little bit, from, you know, dragging a box spring down the steps and the frame and everything and getting it outside. So I kind of got a little bit warm, and so I just like closed up all the windows and turned the air on, and I just set it to like, it was like 74 in the house, I think, and I just set it at like 72. So I didn't really do like that big of a temperature change there. But the day before, it was cold outside. I had windows open all week, and it was actually chilly. Like, I think the highest it got was like 66. And now today I'm in a lab, so I'm cold, and I got my hoodie on, and I'm working. Like, I'm being very active and moving around. I'm very busy today. I have a lot of stuff to catch up on, missing work for 2 days, as well as my check is going to be like crap. But I'm still like okay in the hoodie, and as soon as I walked out the door, it was like I got slapped in the face by Mother Nature. She was like, bam, smacked me, and I'm like, ah, and I take my hoodie off. And anyways, I don't know how I got on that. So I just got myself a Dave's double, and I got no bun and no ketchup, and it probably has onions on it. I'll just take that off. And then I got myself a little side salad and some Diet Coke. Yesterday was weird. I didn't really want a lot of the things that I kept trying to eat, and I felt very wasteful, but I was hungry and I just couldn't figure out with what. I had that wrap, and then that was enough for me. It helped. I made all those beautiful chaffles that you seen yesterday, and they sat like I had 2 chaffles, right? And I was gonna like give some to the kids when they got home, be like, look what mom made. And Tiffany had one, and Link never does this. I don't know what it was, but when I was moving that mattress, he went into the kitchen and he ate all the chaffles. He's never done that. I mean, he did when he was a puppy, but it's been forever and he's not done that. So I was so mad at him. He went into his cage for a little bit. He was not happy about that. Also, he kept me up last night because I've been sleeping on the couch because my bed was hurting my back. Now that I got rid of the box spring, I'm sleeping on the mattress on the floor, and it wasn't bad. It was comfortable enough, and he had to come upstairs to sleep, and he wanted to be downstairs to sleep. He didn't want to be upstairs to sleep. And so he was howling and nudging me, and he was clawing at me like, Mom, let's go downstairs, because I've been sleeping on the couch. I'm like, no. He woke me up at midnight. We went down there. I let him out because he usually does have to go potty once at night. It never fails. And so I let him out, and then he wouldn't go back upstairs. So guess where I ended up sleeping the rest of the night? On the couch. And I need a fan to sleep, and the fan was all the way upstairs. I didn't want to drag it down, so I turned on the TV, turned on YouTube, and Reese has lately been playing ASMR sleeping videos. And so I'm like, I have a Fire Stick, you know, so I'm like, Alexa, play fan ASMR on YouTube. And it was a dead black screen, and it was just a fan noise, a box fan noise, which is exactly what I fall asleep to. So I left that on the TV. It was 9 hours long, and it worked. I fell asleep. I'm weird. I know. I need the fan. Dead silence just does not work for me. I need that noise. I either need Alexa playing rain and thunder sounds, or I need that fan. I need it. Otherwise, it's a very, very hard time to fall asleep. I don't know, I feel like I have so much to say today. I haven't had so much to say the last couple of days, and today I'm just full of piss and vinegar, and I just want to like talk and hang out, and I'm back to work. I guess I am going to go park and eat, and I will see you guys soon. So I'm so annoyed. I wanted that. I don't want to tell you guys what it is until I get it and I'm able to do the review on it. Anyways, I had to go to the grocery store because I needed, I wanted an onion. I wanted to make a salad with like avocado, but all their avocados were bright green, the brightest color green that you've ever seen in your life. So I was like, no. So I got myself a little steak and got the kids some bread. I got a tomato, an onion, a cucumber for salad. I got myself a Powerade Zero Sugar for tonight, and some more coffee. It looks like I have some field trip stuff to sign, and the kids are eating. That was a really unflattering angle. The kids are gonna have some chicken siamese. So I'm gonna start cooking my steak up and I'll show you when it's done. All right guys, this is dinner. This is iceberg lettuce with some cucumber and tomato slices, Parmesan crisp and ranch. This is a New York strip steak with some green pepper and onion and a little bit of that G. Hughes honey barbecue sauce. Yes! This is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna wash it down with this sugar-free Powerade Zero. Yes. Have a great night, guys.